following his bill. When he hit something hard, it was a large metal pot. What's this? A metal pot? I wonder if there is something more valuable underneath. In the hope that he could find something more valuable, the farmer dug deeper and wider. Tired after hours of searching, the farmer decided to rest. He left his spade in the pot and lay down under the tree. A while later, when he got up and went back to the pot, he was surprised. How is this possible? The pot is full of hundreds of spades. I have left only one in it. Looks like it is a magical pot. Let me see what will happen if I put a mango in it. And just as the farmer had thought, the one mango turned into hundreds of mangoes when he left it in the pot. This is truly a magical pot. I will take it home and use it to tide over our troubles. The farmer went home and hid the pot at a safe place. Then he went to the market and sold the mangoes. He earned a handsome for them. On the way back, he bought some grains. He went home and put each one by one. Soon, he had enough of grains to last his family for the rest of the year. The farmer called his wife and told her everything that had happened. This is a blessing. We should use it wisely to become rich, but also keep it safely hidden. The farmer agreed with his wife. Over the year, he slowly started putting things in the pot. Fruits, vegetables, textiles, and some years, he turned around his family's fortune. Thought they had been secretive and very careful about their magic pot. People started noticing how they had become rich, and their secret was out. It even reached the king's ears. Such a powerful magical pot should be a part of the king's treasury. The farmer has no right to keep it only. I have the right to own that pot. The king ordered the soldiers to bring the pot to the palace. The soldiers stormed into the farmer's home and confiscated the pot. They brought it to the king. Let me see what is inside the pot. Let's make it so magical. Once I found what it is, I will become 100 times more powerful. The king peered over the pot and looking into it. As he did, he lost his balance and fell into the pot. As he fell, he hit on the edge of the pot and became unconscious. When he woke up, he saw that there were hundreds of kings like him. To get to the throne and died. Soon the news reached the farmer and his wife. Should we get the pot back now? The king was foolish, and his curiosity killed him. But it is not safe to keep the pot anymore. We have enough money and rich to